Yes, it's a thriller in Haryana. Look at the numbers here. BJP passed the halfway mark, 46. Congress at 40. It's a seesaw battle. It is keeping the hopes of the BJP alive. There's stunned silence. Sanjay Jha is saying everything is okay. His blood pressure is fine. His sugar levels are fine. His pulse rate is fine. But there is a stunned silence and brave smile.
Navika, I'm telling you, just give you one data. 46,000 graduates, postgraduates applying for the jobs of sweepers in Haryana. You think the young are going to vote for the BJP?
Guruji, campaigning is over. Campaigning is over. The votes are in. जितने आपको मिलने थे मिल चुके हैं. अब वो कितने हैं? That is
what Sanjay ji is saying about jobs. I recall one anchor who was in school, and she asked the students there, "Do you think there are enough employment opportunities?" Haryana, expecting to hear a no. It was a resounding yes by the students.
Well.
Smita knows who I'm talking about.
I'm going to take this to the United Nations. The EVMs have a wrong circuitry. This is completely the fault of EVMs.
There is a lot of counting yet to be done.
Absolutely.
Okay, 48, 38. It's all changing. 48 to the BJP in Haryana, 38 to the Congress party, and this has never been as interesting as this. Since morning, everybody had said the BJP is losing, Congress is winning, done deal. Now 47-38 is what is happening in Haryana. BJP suddenly perks up, and there it is. Were the jalebis and the patakas burst too early in the morning?
And dhol, and I mean, these are things that the BJP learned its lesson in earlier elections, and they decided कि लड्डू तो नहीं order करने.
एक और बात है, संजय झा. हरियाणा अगर बीजेपी जीत गई और नरेंद्र मोदी अगर हेडक्वार्टर्स में आके एड्रेस टू द नेशन कर, आप क्या करेंगे मुझे बताइए. You have challenged him. It looks like he might be there.
If I mean, firstly, I don't think that's happening. But let's assume hypothetically that it does.
चलो hypothetical पर तो आ गए. We are talking about hypotheticals.
They've crossed the halfway mark.
Yes, they have. Long time ago, I screamed and shouted. You didn't hear me.
Navika, the truth is that you're still not even reached the middle of the countings yet. This is a long way to go.
So come on, fair and square, please.
You know, counting Modi was a liability.
No, but you are showing the Congress was at 60.
Sanjay Jha,
Max is a liability.
1 minute. May I make one submission? I'm a news person, not a narrative person. So news first, narrative later.
Okay.
You set the narrative first, news is coming in now.
But my narrative was based on the numbers and hasn't changed. I believe these numbers will go up and down probably till around 12 o'clock in the afternoon.
I'm now taking, we can't bet on national television, but I'm now taking declarations coming in. नहीं, सट्टा बिल्कुल नहीं है. I'm taking projections. Which is bona fide journalistic duty to do projections. Smita, who are you expecting to win Haryana?
In Haryana, I still feel that it could become the Congress finally making a government, even though the BJP.
She was saying it. I was about to say the same thing because I said Congress will get comfortable majority.
So you are basically in Sanjay Jha's party.
Not
more
party,
or less, yes.
please.
If Pawan Khera can join BJP, we can join Congress also.
इतना बुरा हाल नहीं है.
Well, so Sanjay Jha, they are hedging their bets. Tushar?
I think let the dust settle. I think
dust nahi settle. You have to give projection now.
I'll give it to the BJP. I'll give it to the BJP.
You'll give it to the BJP? Wow. Okay. If not, then you are giving a round of
jalebis
to everyone.
How many rounds of counting? Tell me that. Then I'll tell you.
No. You have to go by the numbers and
No,
tell
I
me.
need to just know how
You
many
can't
rounds.
ask
You called it 1 hour ago when.
No, I did not call. I was watching it. How many rounds?
I'll still need to check the exact number. of
First,
rounds
second,
that will be.
third.
Sure.
Second, I think.
Yeah.
Must be more now. I think.
I think it's anyone's game right now.
BJP crosses the halfway mark.
But in some constituencies,
Sabha, you can't take that long, yaar. You are so experienced. Tell us.
49.
been going to Haryana.
I mean, I think the BJP could pull off a
Route
surprise.
the other way around.
BJP could pull
Can
out.
if we are into decent rounds, this is beyond postal ballots.
Sabha, you as an experienced journalist know these numbers always stabilize over a period of time. If they hold on for another half an hour, it's not going to change. The probability only decreases with every passing minute. It doesn't increase. It's the same story as it was on 4th June 2024.
So
It's a thriller. It actually belies any of, Smita, let me come back. Since I have a nose for news, let me ask you. Was the Congress nervous last night?
Yes.
And what was happening?
This is what was happening, that the BJP was in a huddle and the Congress was looking nervous yesterday. And which I couldn't figure out ki ho kya raha hai, because exit polls showed that they were very comfortably off. So what was the need for that nervousness? So they were like saying that, we will see, results will show. This kind of talk which was happening was making me wonder ki ho kya raha hai. But then there was also the news that they had placed advance orders for Laddu. So advance orders for Laddu, and they had booked all the dhol guys in Haryana. So when you book
Laddu or jalebi?
No, Laddu was booked and dhol was booked. Jalebi, only one person had been booked. This is the ultimate detailing I'm going into, that the dhol walas had been booked by the Congress party and not by the BJP guys. So I was just wondering, why is the Congress looking nervous now after all the booking has been done?
Okay, viewers, let me just announce the Election Commission website is a little slower than some of the independent channels that give us numbers. And on the Election Commission website, BJP is leading at 38.
Okay.
And Congress is leading at 31.
My God, then I would say BJP might be taking it.
Election Commission website is the institution, and are the EVMs okay in health?
Fun fact.
I want to ask.
Navika, forget about the kingmaker. Tushar
we had a third consecutive
5 years ago
party in Haryana. 6 decades. It's going to be unprecedented if BJP pulls it off.
If this happens, it is unprecedented.
This is not about this is about the king now. Sanjay, accept it.
Navika, can I tell you a perspective? And it's an unpopular perspective because I was getting a lot of flack for it on Twitter. I come from Chandigarh. I've spent 30 years of my life in Chandigarh.
I've spent 10% of that.
No,
you look younger than
the kind of infrastructure upgrade Haryana has seen in the last 10 years. You should just see one graphic, how Haryana and Punjab have diverged completely when it comes to economic growth. The per capita income of Haryana, 3 times increase in the last 10 years. The state GDP, 3 times increase in the last 10 years. You look at Gurgaon, start looking at Sonipat, Panipat, Karnal, Kurukshetra. All these points, they have become very important, growing economic centers. And that is what is reflecting. Let's say, even if the Congress is somehow able to pull it off, it's not a sweep they were hoping for. The BJP is fighting for the 3rd consecutive term, which itself is unprecedented.
All right, Siddharth, you have a
just a
lead
word of
coming
caution, Navika, because the Election Commission website, like you're saying, is updating the data very slowly. So, for example, just to give our viewers an indication of the number of rounds that have concluded, in Ladwa, Nayab Singh Saini, the Chief Minister, is currently leading by 732 votes as per the Election Commission, but only 1 round of counting is concluded out of 16. So I think there's still a long way to go. The numbers might fluctuate, and the numbers might continue fluctuate.
48, 38 right now. The story, let's not forget, in our excitement for Haryana, let's not forget Jammu and Kashmir. And in Jammu and Kashmir, past the halfway mark is the National Conference and the Congress Party. Sabha, just hold on. Past the halfway mark is the Congress Party and the National Conference Alliance, 49. The BJP has dropped to 28. PDP at 3, others at 10. That is in Jammu and Kashmir. The story has moved from Jammu and Kashmir to Haryana. And in Haryana, 48 versus 38. Amazing. Advantage BJP in the third time. Okay, I have one question.
You can also say Umar Abdullah CM.
So is it Khattar or is it Saini? Is it Khattar or is it Saini?
Saini, I think. Is Saini leading in his own?
My question.
No, what I mean is Saini is a recent one. So all the things that's been done by Khattar, who will get
Saini will get
well, this is a big, if anything, this is a big thumbs up for Khattar. Because everybody in the BJP said that he was running it from behind the scenes. Saini, Mukhota, Khattar, the real guy.
But he was trailing in his own seat.
Khattar has won the Lok Sabha elections, my friend.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Saini was trailing.
Saini is leading by 750 votes. That's what was said. So Khattar, big thumbs up to him, and Khattar has been backed by Prime Minister Modi himself. They have worked together as pracharaks, and this is another factor that his judgment on
would he
trusting
return as a
others,
chief minister?
that remains to be seen. Who knows? He might be the next BJP president. But the fact I want to ask you, if this were to happen, and if these leads, and I grant you, if these leads consolidate,
Sure.
this will be a third victory for the BJP in Haryana. Something that they have done in Madhya Pradesh. It's never been done in Haryana for 60 years.
Sure.
Would you still say that Modi, Amit Shah have lost the plot, lost the narrative?
Well, I'll start by telling you that these are early, very early rounds. But if these numbers were to hold and the BJP wins Haryana, I can tell you that all the polling agencies in this country need to shut down.
What about the Congress party?
I'm serious.
No.
I'm serious.
ठीक है, polling agencies की गलती तो नहीं हो सकती ना?
I mean, for God's sake, everybody has predicted a Congress at
What
over
about the Congress
55,
party?
60.
You are the player
Yeah,
on the ground.
so I will tell you this. If the Congress does not win Haryana, then I think for the Congress party, it will be an opportunity blown away.
It will, yeah.
Yeah, it will be an opportunity
No, but
blown away.
But then who will have to introspect?
Out of 50,
Obviously, the
Congress
entire, to be very frank, it will have to be the state leadership,
how
because
much is
they
the
were the
Congress
ones who have been
component in 50?
anticipating.
Okay, there it is. State leadership will have to introspect, not Rahul Gandhi.
Haryana-
Shailaja versus Surjewala versus Buda did it.
हरियाणा तो झांकी है, महाराष्ट्र अभी बाकी है.